Hey guys, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. So in today's video, what we're going to be going over is how to have music that plays over level transitions. So if I were to hit play, I can show you what we're going to make today. So when I press 1, we're going to change levels. You can see it looks very similar, but it is a different level. If I were to press 3, I'm going to be playing music. Now if I press 1 to change the level, that music is stopped. This is what you're probably doing at the moment. You're just playing the music, and then it stops when you change levels. However, what if I were to press 2 instead, as this is now my other music, and if I press 1 to change levels, the music is going to stay there, it won't restart, it won't end, the music plays seamlessly over the level transitions, as you can see here. Now, I'm obviously pressing 1, 2, and 3 like I say, but that is just for the purpose of the video, just for testing. You can set this up however you want, so it could be going from your main menu into your game, you can have the music be working perfectly like this, but this is what we'll be going over and creating today. So without further ado, let me delete this code and I'll show you how I've done it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to create a game instance. Now if you already have one, perfect, you can do it in there. If you don't have a game instance, we're going to want to make one. And a game instance is basically a blueprint that isn't reset upon level change. So this is also good for storing variables like health, mana, stamina, anything like that which you need to keep the same when you're changing levels for your player. A game instance is great for that. So we can go to control space to open our content browser, right click, go to blueprint class, open all classes, and search for game instance. We're going to select that, and I'm going to name this one BP underscore my game instance. That's not a great name, you'd want to give it a different name. The way I normally do it is where I put my game, I normally put the name of my game, and then game instance. So again, whatever it is that you want to do, just do that. Open it up straight away. In here, we're going to right click, add a custom event, and we're going to name this one play music. Out of this, we're going to get a spawn sound 2D, and what I'm going to do is I'm also going to drag that into the custom event like so, and I'm also going to tick persist across level transition. And this is the key thing we need to have ticked. Persist across level transition will mean that it will obviously continue playing as we change levels. However, there's one more thing we need to do in here, and that is right click the return value and promote it to a variable, naming this music, for example. So we have to have persist across level transition ticked, and we also have to have it as a stored variable, so that it is obviously stored within the game instance, and the game knows that this variable here, this music, is supposed to be playing across level transitions like so. So we'll compile, save that, and that is all you need to do. The only thing we need to do now is obviously call this. So for me, I'm going to go into my character blueprint here, and then when I press 2, I'm then going to simply just play this music. But again, you can do this wherever you want, so you can do this on begin play in your main menu, so when you begin the game, it's going to play your music, or you can do it wherever it is you want. Again, really easy to customize for you. So out of this, I'm going to cast to my game instance, or the game instance you just created, with the object obviously being get game instance. And then out of this, we're very simply just going to do play music, or whatever you named the custom event. Then the sound in here, I'm just going to put to be the music you get within the starter content in Unreal. We'll compile and save that, and we should see this now works. You can see this up here is just how I'm changing levels, again, just for the purpose of the tutorial. And then there's one final step we need to do, and that is we need to set this game instance to be the one that's being used in game. So we're going to go to Edit, Project Settings, Maps and Modes, and then under Game Instance Class, we're going to set this to be BP My Game Instance. We'll close this, hit play and test it out. If I press 2, you can hear we now have the music playing, and if I press 1, we are changing levels, and the music is not stopping, it's not pausing, it's not restarting, anything like that. We have the music playing seamlessly over the level transitions, perfectly like so. So I think that'll be it for this video, as we've done everything we've wanted to do. What we've done is we've set it up so we can have music playing, which also continues playing as we change over levels, as you can see on screen now. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, please do make sure to like and subscribe down below. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.